জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Come with me. Wait, Sanjukta. You are taking Vivek inside the moment he has returned home. But it was you who said it once, that sometimes we need to get rid of some people considering the seriousness of the crime they've committed. And that's the rule of this world. Therefore, you tell me, isn't Vivek's crime a serious one? That he should be thrown out of this house? Tell me. Moreover, he tricked Nayan. That's a proven fact. Mom, it's true that Vicky made a mistake and I punished him for that, but he deceived Nayan. Nayan is a maid here. He didn't deceive any family member. Can you guarantee that he wouldn't deceive any family member in future?
You're right, Grandma. And Deepu doesn't like Uncle at all now. Isn't it right, Deepu? Tell me.
Deepu, I punished Vicky for committing the crime, but should we throw him out of the house because of that? Do you want Vicky to leave, Deepu?
Oh no. Everybody has turned against me. If this continues, it will be impossible for me to live here. No, I need to do something about this.
I can't be selfish and think only about my life. I just want that all the family members and Dripto remain always happy.
It is not that simple, Nayan. This matter is not at all simple. Look, I know who's conspiring against Dripto, but I can't reveal that to you. And I also know that if anyone can save Dripto, it's you and only you, Nayan.
I have some clue about who was conspiring against Dripto, but how could you be so sure that no one other than me can save him?
Can Nayan really foresee dangers to others, but she cannot see danger coming towards her?
What benefit do we have by lying to you? Whatever I've told you is the truth. You know what? Everything is possible if the Lord is willing.
I know it, Nayan. I know you can foresee dangers to others. But it will be better to keep that to myself.
What happened? Why are you so quiet? Tell me. Oh, what are you thinking? Tell me how you can be so sure. How could you be so sure? Please tell me.
Nayan, see, I said that because I have faith in you.
Will you answer my question?
Yes, tell me.
If you know that who is conspiring against Dripto, then I am sure you know that how they are trying to cause harm to Dripto. Am I right?
Let it be, Sanjukta. Let Dripto go. Let him go. Leave Dripto. Dipto, I had left the house without any of my belongings. I had some pennies in my pocket and I
What?
just had some bread.
Vicky.
Sanjukta, I'm hungry. Will you
Vicky.
please give me some water and some biscuits? I'll leave after
Vicky.
that. I'll leave after that.
Vicky.
Uncle, what are you saying?
Deepu, are you crazy? Have you lost it, Deepu? Why are you trusting Uncle? Uncle has always been eating expensive bread and buns. Do you think he's eaten cheap bread from a roadside shop? No way.
It's up to you if you believe me or not, Rangana. But I have realized that hunger is a very dangerous thing. But this is also true that I need to learn to starve. Now I'm not welcome here. I can't stay here.
Let it be, Uncle. Uncle, you sit down, please. Come, sit down. Sit down, please. Sit down. Let me get some food right away, okay? Please wait here.
What are you doing? You know everything.
I know, we can discuss this later. He's hungry. Let him eat first. Please, hold on. Hey, is anyone here? Get some food quickly. Go and get something to eat quickly. Come on, go. Uncle, here. Eat. Eat it, come on.
Thank you, Dipto. Thank you so much. I was starving. I knew you wouldn't refuse me. Thank you. You forgave me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. You forgave me. Thank you so much.
No, Uncle. Uncle, you were hungry. You better eat properly. But don't assume that I have forgiven you. Uncle, I have not forgotten what you did. And you did injustice to Nayan. Not with me, Uncle. Therefore, only Nayan can forgive you if she wants. It will depend on her decision whether you can stay here or not.
That uncultured girl will decide whether I can stay here or not. I won't spare her. I won't spare Nayan.
I don't know, Nayan. I don't know. Even if I knew, I can never tell anyone about it. And Nayan, the way I am responsible for you and Dripto, the way I care for you and the love I have for you both, I love the other family members also in the same way. I wish them good too. I can't stand if they are harmed as well. And I just can't explain it to you how big a dilemma it is. I can't explain to you how helpless I am. And how hard it is to keep all these things to myself. Honestly, no one can realize that other than me. And I think that's why I keep running away from my home and I keep running from one place to another.
Don't go. Wait. Please tell me what you know. Please tell me. I need to protect Dripto at any cost. I beg you.
Nayan, please. Instead, I fold my hands in front of you now. Please don't ask me anything because I can't tell you anything. I'll just say that you should think of your welfare now. I'm saying this because I wish what is best for you.
I can understand your situation. Okay. You don't need to tell me anything. But if you really wish good for me, then will you do me a favor?
Why are you even saying this? Of course I will. You're my sister-in-law. I'll do whatever you want. Tell me what I need to do.
Will you please send this money to my mother? This is my first salary for working here as a maid. Dripto paid me. But what will I do with the money?
What? I mean, won't you keep anything for yourself from this? You'll give away the whole amount.
There is no difference between giving it to my mother and keeping it to me. And mother can use the money for my sister's wedding. I could never do anything for my family.
Tell me, how many people live in your house?
You've been continuously talking so much for a long time. This, that. You didn't ask about your sister even once. What kind of a sister you are? Nayan, you surprise me every time. I didn't know such people exist. Your sister doesn't care about you at all. But you are sending money for her wedding. Great. Okay, Nayan. I promise you. I will send this money to your mom today itself.
Nayan! Nayan! Nayan!
What is this? It's Uncle's voice. Why is he calling me this way?
Nayan!
Vicky!
Nayan.
Vicky, no!
Nayan.
Vicky, no! No, you won't go. You won't go to Nayan, Vicky.
No, Sanjukta, I must go to Nayan. I need to apologize to her. I need to
No,
admit
Vicky.
my crime. Please let me go. Please leave me.
Vicky.
Move aside. Nayan. 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 Nayan, please forgive me, Nayan.
What are you doing, Uncle? What are you doing?
What is this? Why is Uncle begging Nayan?
Please get up. You are an elder to me. Please don't embarrass me by apologizing to me. Please don't make me a sinner, Uncle.
I am sure Nayan will forgive Vicky because of all his drama. Nayan, don't get fooled by his drama. Don't forgive him. Don't forgive him at all. Though Deepu said he would be allowed to stay here, only if you forgive him, Nayan. Don't make that mistake. Don't forgive him.
Pratima, why are you interfering between Vicky and Nayan? Why are you influencing her?
Okay, fine. I know Aunt is not able to explain it properly. Let me tell you, okay? Listen, my friend. Uncle is very cunning. He's not stupid like me. He's apologizing to you with an ulterior motive so that he can live here.
Come here. Don't you dare badmouth my uncle.
I didn't badmouth him. Why are you doing this? I didn't do anything wrong. Uncle is really.
Quiet!
What is.
Don't utter another word. This is between uncle and Nayan. Neither you nor I nor aunt can say anything. Go away from here.
Why
Go!
should.
I can't say anything else considering Sanjuta's feelings. Let me talk to Deepu instead. Deepu, if you have anything to tell to Nayan, you can go and talk to her. Go on.
What will I tell her, Grandma? I already told what I had to. Now it's up to Nayan. Whatever she decides. If she can forgive Uncle, then he can definitely stay here. And if she can't forgive him, then Uncle should quietly leave this house. I can't say anything about it. Even others won't say anything about this matter.
Oh no, the matter is too complex. All right, I won't do anything. I'll apologize to everyone. I need to ensure my stay in this house.
Dripto, please forgive me. I admit that I made a mistake, but I did that for you, didn't I? I did it for your good, Dripto. Please try to understand my point. Please don't push me away like this, Dripto. Won't you understand my situation?
I will understand you. Uncle, did you ever try to understand my problem? I very well knew you were my uncle. When I used to go shopping with Dad, I used to buy clothes. Not for me, but for you, Uncle. What you like and don't like, chocolate, perfume, everything. Even when I was returning from Paris, I thought only about you, Uncle. But the fact that you can cheat someone like this, I'm feeling devastated thinking about that. But you didn't think about me at that time. So why would I? Why would I think about you now? Why should I understand your point? I'm sorry, Uncle. I'm very sorry.
Though Uncle wishes to hurt Tripto, but he loves him a lot. What do I do now? What should I do?
Nan, please forgive me. Please forgive me. I'll do whatever you say. I swear on the Lord. Forgive me, please. Please.
Nayan, don't be fooled by his drama. He committed a crime. He made you suffer. Don't forget that.
I didn't think twice before doing that, Nayan. I wanted to help Dripto, but I did injustice to you, Nayan. It was totally unfair.
No, my friend. Don't forgive Uncle, no matter what he says. Uncle will try to harm you again.
Nayan, Vicky is older to you. He's an elder. He's apologizing to you, but you're not forgiving him.
I could never imagine that Uncle could do something like this.
I want to say something.
What will she say? Will I have to leave?
Uncle, if one makes a mistake, apologizing for the same is the biggest punishment. You are an elder to me. So please don't embarrass me by apologizing to me. You can stay here. You are bound by blood to many people in this house. How can I take their beloved uncle away from them? I can't do that, uncle.